Okay, so direct ranging. What is direct ranging? All of you, please mute your mic. Please mute your mic, please. If the first and last points are intervisible, this method is used. Okay, if when we can use this method with the suppose this one is your first point, okay, from you are from which you are going to start your start measuring your distance. This one is your end point, that is B point, जहाँ पे आपको यहाँ तक आपका मेजर डिस्टेंस मेजर करना है. यू हैव टू मेजर डिस्टेंस बिटवीन A to B. यू आर गोइंग टू मेजर अ डिस्टेंस बिटवीन A to B. So how to measure? If the first and last points are intervisible, this method is possible. This method is only possible when your both this first point and this second points, both points are इंटरविजिबल. दोनों मतलब ए से आप बी को देख सकते हो, बी से आप ए को देख सकते हो. बट सपोज इफ देयर इज अ ट्री between these two points, so these stations are not intervisible. Suppose इन दोनों के बीच में अगर कोई ऑफसेट आ रहा है, suppose there is a hill या any other kind of the object, so in that condition you can not able to take the distance. Okay, तो यहाँ पे this method direct ranging method is used when the first and two points are intervisible, station A and station B, in which an intermediate point C is to be located. So how to measure? पहले क्या करना है? You have to fix your peg over this station. This one is your end point. Okay, so what you have to do? इन दोनों के बीच में एक intermediate point लेना है. That is a C point. Okay, point C is selected at a distance slightly less than the chain length. At points A and B, ranging roads are fixed. Okay, these are two stations, A station and B station. On both of these stations, you have to fix the ranging road, and in between in between these two points, you have to fix one intermediate point जहाँ पे आपको chain fix करना है. Okay, so the assistant A and B ranging roads, the assistant holds another ranging road at C. Surveyor position. Surveyor क्या होता है? जो survey करता है. He is known as a surveyor. Okay, so the surveyor positions himself approximately 2 meters behind station A and looking along line AB, direct the assigned two moves at right angles. Okay, so यहाँ पे according to orders of the surveyors, this person can move himself over the survey line. Then surveyor instruct the assistants. This one he is surveyor and this one is assistant. जो सर्वे कर रहा है he is a surveyor, और जो जिसे वो असिस्ट कर रहा है, ओके, जिसे बोल रहा है कि आपको यहाँ आना है, आपको ऐसे करना है, आपको यहाँ करना है, ओके, he is a assistant. Okay, so this person who is on A point, he is a surveyor. This person who is at C point, okay, that is an intermediate point, so he is a assistant. The surveyor instruct the assistants to mark the points and stretch the chain along AC. ये इंस्ट्रक्ट करेगा इसे कि चेन के अंदर ऊपर कैसे कहाँ रेंजिंग रोड रखना है, टू मार्क द पॉइंट एंड स्ट्रेच द चेन अलोंग AC. इनडायरेक्ट और रेसिप्रोकल रेंजिंग. ओके, चलो बस यहाँ तक रखते हैं आज. प्रेजेंट मुझे 1 मिनट स्क्रीनशॉट ले लें. Okay, now you can leave. Thank you.